Okay, so let's go on to the next topic. पिछले वाली क्लास में हमने अमोनिया डिस्कस करा था और नाइट्रोजन डिस्कस करा था. Today we are going to discuss oxides of nitrogen. Now nitrogen, as we have already discussed, it forms 5 different oxides in five different oxidation states. Okay. Although nitrogen के पास vacant d orbitals present नहीं है, but still when it is forming compounds with oxygen, it is doing so in all the 5 oxidation states. That is because it has the tendency to form p-pi multiple bonding with oxygen. Okay, so 5 oxides हम यहाँ पे discuss करेंगे. The first one, that is nitrous oxide. Nitrous oxide में oxidation state of oxygen, that is going to be 1. Right? The second one which we will discuss, that is going to be nitric oxide with oxidation state of +2 in case of nitrogen. Then we have number 3, nitrogen trioxide with oxidation state of +3. Then we have number 4, nitrogen dioxide or exist करता है in the form of dimer. This is +4 oxidation state. And finally nitrogen pentoxide with +5 oxidation state. Right? So let's discuss each of them one by one. Let's go on to the first one, which is nitrous oxide. Nitrous oxide is also known as laughing gas. Right? Nitrous oxide, it is also known as laughing gas. In this case, nitrogen, as I just told you, has a क्या बोलते हैं उसको, oxidation state of +1. Now, how do we prepare nitrous oxide? During preparation of nitrous oxide, it can be prepared from ammonium nitrate. On heating ammonium nitrate, we get nitrous oxide and water. ठीक है? Also, it can be prepared by taking sodium nitrite and ammonium sulfate. Ammonium sulfate in the ratio 3:4. मतलब 3 parts of sodium nitrite हमने लेना है और 4 parts of ammonium sulfate हमने लेना है. When we get ammonium nitrate, right, and we are going to get sodium sulfate. ये जो ammonium nitrate यहाँ पे बनता है, this is further heated to give us nitrous oxide plus water. Okay, so ये जो nitrous oxide है, this is collected over hot water. Why over hot water? Because cold water में it is soluble. Okay, hot water में it is insoluble, cold water में it is soluble. Therefore, it is collected over hot water. Now the gas, that is the gas which is produced over here, that gas is contaminated with nitric oxide and ammonia. And little amount of water is also present. In order to get pure nitrous oxide, these impurities have to be removed. So these impurities can be removed by passing the gas through ferrous sulfate solution. ये जो ferrous sulfate solution है, this is going to remove nitric oxide, right? And then it is treated with concentrated H2SO4, which is going to remove ammonia and water. Right? So this is how we can prepare sodium nitrite or ammonium sulfate को we are taking in the ratio 3:4 when we get ammonium nitrate which is heated to give us nitrous oxide. ये जो यहाँ पे नाइट्रस ऑक्साइड बन रहा है, सॉरी, यहाँ पे जो ये नाइट्रस ऑक्साइड बन रहा है 2N2O, इसको हम लोग इस पे वी आर सेइंग दैट इट इज कंटैमिनेटेड विद NO and ammonia and H2O, which can be removed by treating it with ferrous sulfate. Ferrous sulfate क्या करता है, वो NO को रिमूव कर देता है, और concentrated H2SO4 क्या करता है, वो अमोनिया एंड वाटर को रिमूव कर देता है. ठीक है, so this is our first preparation of oxides. Let's go on to the properties. The first property is that it is a colorless, tasteless gas. It is a colorless and tasteless gas with sweet smell. With sweet odor. ठीक है? Number 2, it produces laughter when inhaled. So that is the reason why it is known as laughing gas. जब इसको inhale करते हैं तो एक hysterical सा laughter आ जाता है. That is why it is known as laughing gas. Then number 3, it is a neutral gas. Therefore, it is neutral to litmus, which means it is neither going to convert red litmus to blue, nor it is going to convert blue litmus to red. It does not burn. It does not burn itself. But it is a supporter of combustion. It does not burn itself, but it is a supporter of combustion. ठीक है? Now when we are looking at the structure of nitrous oxide, it has a linear structure. When we are looking at the structure, N2O has a linear structure. In total, it has it has 2 resonance hybrid structures, which can be written as राइट. सो इस तरह से हम इसको लिख सकते हैं. लोन पेयर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन्स हम कैसे शो करेंगे, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. ठीक है, इसके पास सेंटर ऑक्सीजन के पास 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. देयर इज नो ऑक्सीजन व्हिच इज गोइंग, नो लोन पेयर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन्स प्रेजेंट, एंड दिस इज गोइंग टू हैव 4 लोन पेयर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन्स. सो यहाँ पे नाइट्रोजन के ऊपर देयर इज गोइंग टू बी अ नेगेटिव चार्ज, एंड दिस ऑक्सीजन इज गोइंग टू बेयर अ पॉजिटिव चार्ज. Right? Because इसके जो lone pair of electrons हैं, they are entering into bonding. That is why इसके ऊपर positive charge हो जाता है. और यहाँ पे नाइट्रोजन के पास सिर्फ एक lone pair of electron होना चाहिए, पर 2 lone pair of electron है, इसलिए इसके ऊपर negative charge आ जाता है. जब इसका हम resonating structure बनाते हैं, then this electrons it is going to shift over here, and this bond is going to shift over here, such that we have N triple bond O, single bond O. So this oxygen will now get a positive charge, and this is going to get a negative charge. Right? So these are the resonating structures. When we are looking at uses of nitric oxide, the first use is a mixture of nitrous oxide plus oxygen that is used as a dental anesthetic. जो injections देते हैं when you are going for your to the dentist for your dental treatment, so उसपे it has a mixture of nitrous acid and oxygen. ठीक है? That is going to behave as an anesthetic. उसको सुन करने के लिए काम आता है. Then number 2, it is used as a propellant gas for whipped cream machines. Now what is whipped cream? You know कि जो cakes वगैरह के ऊपर जो icing होती है, that is whipped cream. ओके अब उसमें पहले तो इनिशियली व्हाट यूज्ड टू हैपन वाज कि वी यूज्ड टू टेक अभी भी वैसे करते हैं घर पे व्हेन यू डूइंग आइसिंग ऑन द केक सो वी जनरली मेक अ कोन और उस कोन के अंदर आइसिंग डाल के वी डू द आइसिंग बट नाउ इन वेरी लार्ज बेकरीज देयर आर जैसे फोम स्प्रे की तरह आइसिंग इज पुट इन काइंड ऑफ अ फोम स्प्रे in which it's a tumbler और जब जैसे आप डिओड्रेंट्स को पुश करते हो तो उसमें से डिओ निकलता है ना डिओड्रेंट निकलता है उसी तरह से the whipped cream that is contained in that and this gives a push this gas gives a push that's why it is used as a propellant okay so this is the first oxide let's go on to the second oxide which is nitric oxide all right so when we are going to nitric oxide in case of nitric oxide as we just say the oxidation state of nitrogen that is going to be +2 ठीक है now preparation जब हम इसकी करते हैं it is prepared by reacting copper with nitric acid to give us copper nitrate plus 2NO plus 4H2 ठीक है so इस तरह से हम लोग इसको प्रिपेयर करते हैं now over here also the liberated gas that is contaminated with the liberated gas that is contaminated with nitrogen dioxide and nitrous oxide right these are the impurities और इसको हम लोग किस तरह से रिमूव करेंगे they can be removed by treating the gas with aqueous parasulfate solution ओके सो इसके साथ ट्रीट करके हम लोग इसको रिमूव कर सकते हैं नाउ ओवर हियर द नाइट्रिक एसिड एक तो ये प्रिपरेशन हो गई बट समटाइम्स व्हाट हैपेंस कि हम लोग प्रिपेयर कर रहे हैं वी आर प्रिपेयरिंग सम अदर मटेरियल बट दिस नाइट्रिक एसिड दैट इज गॉट एज अ बाय प्रोडक्ट राइट जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल ड्यूरिंग प्रिपरेशन ऑफ during preparation of nitric acid during the preparation of nitric acid by two methods the first one is the electric arc process during electric arc process nitrogen reacts with oxygen in presence of electric arc to first give 2NO. Then this nitric oxide is further reacted to produce HNO3. In a similar manner, Ostwald's process may be for the preparation of nitric acid we have ammonia oxidized with oxygen in presence of platinum or rhodium as catalyst ठीक है this is going to give us NO nitric oxide and water so these are the two methods while preparing nitric acid in the first step we have to prepare nitric oxide right so this can be prepared in this manner also when we looking at the properties of nitric oxide the first one is it is colorless and slightly heavier than air it is slightly heavier than air ठीक है उसके बाद हमारे पास क्या आता है कि this is going to be sparingly soluble in water This is going to be sparingly soluble in water. Number 3, it is paramagnetic. We will just, when we are looking at the structure, we will see that it has one single electron, as a result of which it is going to behave as paramagnetic, and it is a neutral gas, which again means that it is neither going to convert red litmus to blue, neither blue litmus to red. ठीक है, और नाइट्रोजन के साथ जब ये रिएक्ट करता है नाइट्रिक ऑक्साइड, it is going to give us brown fumes of nitrogen dioxide. It is going to give us brown fumes of nitrogen dioxide. ठीक है, uses इसकी क्या है? It is used in the manufacture of नाइट्रिक एसिड। तो ये वाले जो दोनों मेथड्स हमने करे हैं, दिस वन इलेक्ट्रिक आर्क मेथड एंड ऑसवाल्ड प्रोसेस, दीज आर बेसिकली प्रोसेसेस फॉर द मैन्युफैक्चर ऑफ नाइट्रिक एसिड। तो ये यहाँ पे यूज होता है नाइट्रिक ऑक्साइड टू फॉर्म नाइट्रिक एसिड। ठीक है, दिस इज द फर्स्ट यूज। देन द सेकेंड यूज इज दैट इट इज यूज्ड एज अ कैटलिस्ट for preparation of H2SO4 in lead chamber process. Catalyst for preparation of H2SO4 in the lead chamber process. ठीक है, अब इसका स्ट्रक्चर देखते हैं हम, एंड लेट्स सी हाउ इट इज पैरामैग्नेटिक इन नेचर। स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ नाइट्रिक ऑक्साइड, when we looking at the structure of nitric oxide, again it has a resonant stabilized structures. In this case there are in total 11 electrons present. तो जब हम पेयरिंग करेंगे इनकी 11 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स की, तो इवन देन वी विल सी दैट ओनली 10 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स कैन बी पेयर्ड, और 1 इलेक्ट्रॉन जो इसके पास होगा वो सिंगल रह जाएगा। उस 1 इलेक्ट्रॉन की वजह से इट इज गोइंग टू बिहेव पैरामैग्नेटिकली। सो लेट्स सी व्हाट इज द स्ट्रक्चर। So over here this is a single electron which is present. What are we saying? In total 11 electrons. So we have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 and 11, right? 11 electrons are going to be present. तो ये यहाँ पे एक single electron रह जाता है, जिसकी वजह से it is going to be paramagnetic in nature. Now when we drawing the resonating structures, we have a negative charge over here, ठीक है, and we are going to have a positive charge on this. Resonating structure में अब क्या होगा, that we are going to get 2 electron pairs on nitrogen. So now oxygen will get a positive charge and nitrogen is going to get a negative charge. ठीक है, and then we also have a neutral molecule. बस इस पे आपको ये याद रखना है कि आपको 11 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स इन टोटल होने चाहिए, शेयर्ड एंड अनशेयर्ड, दोनों के दोनों. So these are going to be the resonant hybrids. Let's go on to the third oxide, that is nitrogen trioxide. The third oxide which we have, that is nitrogen trioxide. तो nitrogen trioxide में oxidation number of nitrogen that is going to be equal to +3. ठीक है, और इसको हम लोग एक और नाम से बुलाते हैं, दिस इज नोन एज नाइट्रोजन सेस्क्वी ऑक्साइड. दिस इज नोन एज नाइट्रोजन सेस्क्वी ऑक्साइड, और इट इज ऑल्सो नोन एज नाइट्रोजन एनहाइड्राइड. नाइट्रोजन एनहाइड्राइड. ठीक है, Now when we're looking at this, let's go on to the preparation first. किस तरह से हम इसको प्रिपेयर करते हैं? It is prepared by the reduction of HNO3 by AS2O3. आर्सेनिक ऑक्साइड के साथ हम इसे रिएक्ट करेंगे. So we have arsenic oxide plus nitric acid. The reaction takes place in presence of water to give us right arsenic acid, plus we are going to get nitrogen trioxide. Right, now we say that nitrogen trioxide, it is known in the pure state in the solid form at very low temperature. In the vapor state, so solid state में it exists as N2O3 at low temperature, ठीक है? But in the vapor state it is a equimolar mixture of NO and NO2. It is a equimolar mixture of NO and NO2. But in the solid state, it is going to exist as N2O3 at low temperature. Right? Now, when we are looking at the properties of nitrogen trioxide, it condenses to a blue colored liquid at -30°C. So we are saying at -30°C, it is going to exist as a blue colored liquid. ठीक है, -30°C. और रूम टेम्परेचर पे जब हम लोग इसको लाते हैं और वो इवेपोरेट होता है, then it is going to exist as a equimolar mixture of NO and NO2. So we have N2O3 at room temperature. It is going to exist as an equimolar mixture of NO plus NO2. Clear? Now over here it is an acidic oxide. अभी तक हमने सारे न्यूट्रल करे थे. So we have studied this. As the oxidation number of nitrogen is going to increase, the acidic character will also increase. So this is going to behave as an acidic oxide. Acidic oxide का मतलब when we react this with water, it is going to give us nitrous acid, 2HNO2. That is why it is known as acidic oxide. Right? Structure इसका क्या है? When we looking at the structure, it is going to be a resonant hybrid of the following structures. So we have N2O3. Okay, अब इसमें we have 4 electrons over here, 1 lone pair of electrons over here. इसके ऊपर कोई भी इलेक्ट्रॉन नहीं है, so this will get a positive charge. यहाँ पे 4 electrons हो गए, and this is going to have 6 electrons. ठीक है? Now इसका जो resonance hybrid होगा, that is going to be N So we have again 1 lone pair of electrons here, 4 here, positive charge here, 6 electrons here, and 4 electrons here. So these are going to be the resonating structures, right? Then next we go on to NO2 in the +4 oxidation state. N2O4. This is a dimer of nitrogen dioxide. In this case, nitrogen that is present in +4 ऑक्सीडेशन स्टेट। ठीक है, अब जब हम लोग यहाँ पे करेंगे ऑक्सीडेशन नंबर इसका +4 आ गया, तो इट इज जनरली सीन दैट एट वेरी लो टेम्परेचर, say at a temperature of -11 degree centigrade, NO2 converts into its dimer N2O4. Now over here NO2, this is going to be brown in color, whereas N2O4 is colorless. Again, the brown color of this is going to be due to the presence of one unpaired electron present, which we will do in its structure. Let's go on to the preparation. It can be prepared by normally heating the nitrates. जैसे हम लोग, if we are heating lead nitrate, it is going to give a brown color gas, which is nitrogen dioxide. Properties अगर हम इसकी देखें, number 1, it is a brown colored gas with a pungent smell. ठीक है, it is a brown colored gas with a pungent smell. Number 2, at high temperature of 620 degrees. At 620 degrees, it decomposes into nitric oxide and oxygen at a high temperature of 620 degrees centigrade. ठीक है, on reaction with water, it gives us a mixture of nitrous acid and nitric acid. जब वाटर के साथ इसको रिएक्ट करते हैं, it gives us a mixture of nitric acid and nitrous acid. That is why it is known as mixed hydride, क्योंकि ये दो डिफरेंट तरह के एसिड्स देता है, तो दिस इज नोन एज मिक्स्ड हाइड्राइड, सॉरी मिक्स्ड एनहाइड्राइड, मिक्स्ड एनहाइड्राइड, राइट? When it is reacting with warm water, with cold water we have seen the reaction above. With warm water it is going to give only nitric acid. So we have with warm water it will give only nitric acid, and with cold water it is going to give us a mixture of nitrous acid and nitric acid. ठीक है, let's go on to the uses. Uses, जब uses करते हैं, it is used for the manufacture of nitric acid by osmosis process. ठीक है, number 2, it is used as a catalyst for preparation of sulfuric acid. Preparation of sulfuric acid. तो ये इसके uses हैं. Let's go on to the structure. This also has a singlet electrode. Singlet electron is going to be present in this. So when we are looking at the structure of this, it has a bent structure, right? So इस तरह से इसका स्ट्रक्चर रहता है. We have a negative charge here and we have a positive charge on nitrogen. Similarly, इसका जो resonating structure रहेगा, that is going to be N negative charge on this and positive charge on this. ठीक है? Now when it is going to form a dimer, why does it form a dimer first of all? Because of the single electron which is present on this nitrogen, the structure is quite unstable and it has the tendency or ability to form bond with another molecule of nitrogen dioxide to form a pair between these two. Right? So sharing of these two is going to take place. So when we're looking at the structure of N2O4, negative charge on this, positive charge on this, positive charge on this, and we have 6 electrons, negative charge on this, and 4 electrons. Remember that electrically the molecule should always be neutral. So as there are 2 positive charges over here, there have to be 2 negative charges. ठीक है? And the oxygen which has more than 4 electrons is going to bear a negative charge. Oxygen less than 4 electrons is going to bear a positive charge. Similarly, nitrogen if nitrogen has more than 1 lone pair of electrons, it is going to bear a negative charge. And if it does not have any pair of electrons, then it is going to have a positive charge. ठीक है? So यहाँ पे इस नाइट्रोजन और इस नाइट्रोजन के ऊपर कोई भी lone pair of electrons present नहीं है. That is why they are getting positive charges. इसके ऊपर 6 electrons है तो negative charge. इसके ऊपर 4 electrons तो कोई भी charge नहीं. Got it? Okay. So इसका जो resonating structure बनेगा वो कैसा बनेगा? Negative charge on this, positive charge on this, positive charge on this. And 4. Okay, then we come to the last oxide in the +5 oxidation state, which is nitrogen pentoxide. N2O5, nitrogen pentoxide. The oxidation state of nitrogen in this case is going to be +5. It is known as nitric anhydride. ठीक है? It is prepared by reacting P2O5. We take P2O5 and we pour slowly nitric acid over it. When we are going to get nitrogen pentoxide. When we are looking at the properties, we see that it is a white crystalline solid, white crystalline solid, but on heating it decomposes to yellow liquid, and on further heating it decomposes to a brown gas, which is nitrogen dioxide. राइट, व्हाइट क्रिस्टलाइन होता है, तो जब आप हीट करते हैं तो येलो लिक्विड में कन्वर्ट होता है और फिर उसके बाद वो कन्वर्ट होता है इनटू अ ब्राउन गैस व्हिच इज नाइट्रोजन डाइऑक्साइड. इट इज एन एसिडिक ऑक्साइड. Acidic oxide, as when treated with water, it is going to give us nitric oxide, nitric acid. ठीक है, क्योंकि ये नाइट्रिक एसिड दे रहा है तो therefore it is going to be an acidic oxide. स्ट्रक्चर जब हम इसका देखते हैं, it has a bridging oxygen. This is going to be the structure. So let's put the lone pair of electrons. इसके ऊपर 2 आ गए, इसके ऊपर positive and positive charge आ गया. This will have 6 electrons with a negative charge. This will have 4 electrons with no charge. This will have 4 electrons. ठीक है? And this is going to have 6 electrons with a negative charge. Okay? और जब इसका resonating structure हम बनाएंगे, this is going to be the resonating structure. So again we have 4 electrons here. Okay? We have 6 electrons here with a positive charge. 4 electrons here, 6 electrons here with a negative charge, and we have 4 electrons here. Right? So these are the oxides of nitrogen, and today we are going to only do till here. So nitrogen, we are left with only one topic now, oxoacids of nitrogen, which we will complete in the next class and go off to phosphorus, the next element of group 15. Okay?